quick as a flash, understanding, in double quick time. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unlock the secrets of its phrases and idioms. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's all about speed and efficiency, in double quick time. This expression is not just musical to the ears but also rich in meaning and history. So, let's get into it and understand what it means and how you can use it to spice up your English conversations. The phrase, in double quick time, refers to doing something very quickly or with great speed. It's about accomplishing a task or moving at a pace that's faster than usual. Imagine you're running late and you need to get ready in a fraction of the usual time. That's when you do things in double quick time. It's the English language's way of capturing the essence of haste and swiftness in a few words. The origins of "in double quick time" are as interesting as the phrase itself. It's believed to have military roots, dating back to when soldiers were instructed to march at a pace that was twice as fast as the normal marching speed. This term has since transcended its military origins and found a place in everyday English, symbolizing any action done with urgency and rapidity. Using "in double quick time" in sentences is quite straightforward. It can be employed in various contexts, from casual conversations to more formal communications, to convey the idea of speed and efficiency. Here are a few examples. I need to finish this report in double quick time. The deadline is looming. She managed to clean up the entire house in double quick time before the guests arrived. We'll have to make the decision in double quick time to avoid any delays. These examples show that the phrase can be versatile, fitting seamlessly into different scenarios where speed is of the essence. Now that you know what "in double quick time" means and how to use it, it's time to practice. Try creating your own sentences or perhaps challenge yourself to use this phrase in your next English conversation. Remember, the key to mastering a new language or expression is consistent practice and usage. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, "in double quick time," and added a new expression to your English vocabulary arsenal. Speed is a valuable asset in today's fast-paced world, and now you can talk about it with the perfect English phrase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of English.